In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your payments method was declined on iPhone. So first, just go and access your settings and click on your name. From here, make sure to go and click on payments and shipping. Once you click on that, they will ask you basically for your passcode or touch ID. Just go and enter that. And then you will have to go and tap your current payments method. Make sure the card number, CVV, and expiry dates are correct. Make sure also the billing address matches your bank information. And try to removing and re-adding the card if needed. Also, if it's still not working, try to add a different payments method. You can go again and click on settings, your name and payment shipping, then click on add a payments method if you don't have any. Make sure to add a different credit card, debit card, or PayPal if available in your region. Make sure to even check the Apple ID country. Your card must match your Apple ID region. Go and click again your name. After that, of course, you will be taken. So let me just go back. So your name on your settings, scroll down and click on media and purchases. And from here, as example, click on view your account. Basically from here, you can go and see your country and region and click on that. So make sure it matches your card issue and country. If you moved countries, you must switch regions and update the billing info as well. Make sure to also check your bank or card provider. Your bank may block online or international payments. Call or use the app to check for spending limits, suspicious activities, hold, or outdated cards. Make sure the card supports online purchases as well. And also, you might want to check for app store restrictions if you have any. On your settings as example, you just go back in here to settings. You can go to screen time. So scroll down to the bottom and you'll find screen time. Here, make sure to go to content and privacy restrictions. And if you have it disabled, that means you have nothing to check. But if you have it enabled, just go and click on the iTunes and App Store purchases and make sure to set purchasing to allow. So make sure to have in-app purchases and allow. If you have it disabled, you don't have even to worry about that. And one of the things that may work is signing out and back into your account, into your iPhone account. So go and click on your name, sign out from your Apple and sign in. And make sure to even download or install any available updates. And if nothing of those works, you can try to contact the Apple support via any browser. You can go to support.apple.com or use the support or the Apple support application to contact them.